Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by picking how you'll route audio: a Bluetooth transmitter plugged into your controller for direct game sound, or the Xbox app on your phone/PC to handle both game and chat. Make sure your Airpods are charged and in pairing mode, and verify the Xbox is updated. Once done, plug the transmitter into the controller 3.5mm jack, or launch the Xbox app and enable remote play. These choices matter because the console doesn't natively support Bluetooth headphones, so you need a workaround. Now pair and configure. If using a transmitter, plug it into your controller, put your Airpods in pairing mode, then press the transmitter's pair button until it links. Confirm audio by playing sound. If using the Xbox app, connect to the console, start remote play, then select your phone or PC audio output and pair Airpods to that device. Make sure you set the Xbox audio mix so chat and game levels are balanced, and check microphone privacy to allow party chat. Once paired, test a short in-game sound and voice chat. Finish by tuning volume and mic levels on the console and controller so you hear both game and chat clearly. If you notice latency, switch to a low-latency Bluetooth transmitter or use a wired solution. For app streaming, close background apps to reduce network delay. Finally, if audio fails, repair your Airpods, reboot the controller or console, and check firmware updates for transmitter or controller. This single troubleshooting step, full repair and restart, fixes most connection glitches and restores reliable audio quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.